Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English Beginner 16. Food. In this lesson, you will learn how to talk about foods you like and dislike. We will also learn how to express quantities. Before we watch a short movie, I'll teach you some vocabulary describing food. To bake. Do you like to bake? We bake bread, cookies, and potatoes in a hot oven. Bakery. A bakery is a store that bakes bread and other products like it. Whole wheat flour. Flour is the powder we use to make bread. Whole wheat bread is brown and it is healthier than white bread. Organic. Organic food has no chemicals in it. We are now going to watch a short movie. Two friends are sharing food and talking. Listen for their likes and dislikes.
Would you like some cheese?
Certainly. I'll try a little.
This is delicious. Can I have some bread?
No problem. Just take some from the plate.
Is it fresh?
Yes, I baked it this morning with whole wheat flour. Do you like baking?
Yes, I love to bake. I bake my own cakes.
I just buy mine from the supermarket. They have a great bakery.
Is it expensive?
Oh no, I pay $1.50. I also buy my vegetables there.
I like to grow my own vegetables. Are these organic?
Yes, I bought them in the organic section. Would you like some broccoli?
No, thank you. I'd rather have some ham.
I don't have any chicken or beef. Can I get you some?
I've had plenty to eat tonight. I like beef. I think I'll make some hamburgers for my kids tonight.
Now let's talk about the grammar in the movie. Look at these sentences. Would you like a hamburger? Would you like an orange? Would you like some vegetables? For countable nouns, we use a or an and numbers. If the number is not important, we use some. We add s to show that there is more than one. An orange, 2 oranges, 3 oranges, some oranges. Would you like some cheese? Would you like a piece of cheese? Some nouns are uncountable. Some cheese. Some water, some rice, some ham. We don't use a or an, and we don't use numbers. We also don't use s because it can't be plural. It is uncountable. We can only count the parts of uncountable nouns. A piece of cheese, 2 pieces of cheese, some pieces of cheese. Let's go on. It is now your turn to practice speaking. I will show you part of the movie. Watch the people, then listen to me. Repeat what I say.
Would you like some cheese?
Certainly. I'll try a little.
Would you like some cheese? Repeat that. Would you like some cheese?
This is delicious. Can I have some bread?
No problem. Just take some from the plate.
Just take some from the plate. Repeat that. Just take some from the plate.
Is it fresh?
Yes, I baked it this morning with whole wheat flour. Do you like baking?
Yes, I love to bake. I bake my own cakes.
Do you like baking? Repeat that. Do you like baking?
I like to grow my own vegetables. Are these organic?
Yes, I bought them in the organic section.
I like to grow my own vegetables. Repeat that. I like to grow my own vegetables. Well done! You have now practiced talking about foods you like and dislike. You've also learnt to express quantities. For countable nouns such as a hamburger, we can say, "Would you like a hamburger?" For uncountable nouns such as cheese, we can say, "Would you like some cheese?" I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. See you again soon!